Hello guys, good morning. So it's 11 a.m., 11:14. So this is another episode for What is Brunch for today. So guys, ayan, as you can see, meron na akong kinakain but itago natin muna sa video. Since I remembered, nag-film tayo ng kung anong niluluto natin sa ating boarding house for our last 2 weeks here, stay here. And we got here, ano, talong sisig, guys. Um, i-insert ko na lang siguro kung ano yung mga nilagay ko dito after ko i-fry yung talong. Yung talong is, yung own version ko lang naman, hinalo ko yung crispy fry, harina, konting egg, tapos water. Tapos hinalo ko lang paminta and then konting salt. Yan lang naman. Tapos hinalo ko siya with mayonnaise, calamansi tatlo, oyster sauce, and siling labuyo. Yan lang. Tapos yan. And we have here rice. Tapos gumawa ko guys ng drink. Ayan. Hindi ko siya mapakita. But hinalo ko yung apat na kalamansi and then tapos Yakult. Half na Yakult tapos yellow, malalaking yellow. Yan. So sarap. Walang sugar ako nilagay kasi may sugar na yung Yakult. Yan. So take a bite guys. Yan. Actually, hindi sila maliliit yung talong. Because I want it big. I'm really happy guys kasi I had my fasting 16 hours ago and then magbe-brunch tayo. I think this is wrong because kahit kaya natin na hindi kumain ng dinner after this meal is marami pa rin akong rice. So nagre-reduce ako ng rice after siguro I'll try tomorrow. Yan. Pero feeling hindi ko siya maubos since ang dami niya. Manadaling version ko to ng talong. So, may tira tayong hotdog. So, we'll eat this. Yung meal natin, I think this only costs yung talong kasi bumili ako kagabi ng 5. 5 is 25 cents. Yung kilo niya is 30 per kilo. Diba ang mura? Gumamit ako ng 2 talong. So, 10 pesos. Kalahati ng hotdog. 8.23. Siguro itong rice is around 10 pesos. Ano pa ba? Yung mayo, calamansi, sili, meron kasi ako nun eh. So, siguro mga 5 pesos, ganun. 28. Yakult, 13. 41. Ano ba ba? Yellow, 5.46. Yan. And marami siya, guys. As in, super dami niya. Ang ibang ingredients kasi, meron na ako. Like harina, asin, ganun. Oil. Hindi ko naman dinip fry ito. Kasi, naano ako sa oil. Diba? Cheers. Pero ito hanggang bukas, cause why not? Diba? Yep. So, ayan. I'm busog na, guys. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Yan naman, guys. Bye!